Hello, this is Nazar Noshibilia, and today I will guide the user how to interact with the mobile application design which I created. So first of all, we're going to load the application. So this is the loading the menu. From here, the user has the access for the other pages, which are the contact. This is the contact ID icon, the app icon, the message icon, and up here we have the three additional pages which we had to create by our choice. Okay, this is the calendar icon, the map icon, and the about us icon. So first of all, we are going to see how the user will access the contacts list by clicking the icon. In our case, here we have a list of contacts, and we can choose either to call, delete, or send a message. To call, obviously we have to tap this call icon here, call button, and you can see that we are simulating a call with our phone. To go back, you click on contacts. To delete a contact, you have to tap on this cross, and voila, the contact is not there anymore. To reload the contact, you just tap on the contacts title, and to send a message you will be directed to the messages page. So that was all for the contacts. We go back to the menu, and now we are going to access the app page by clicking the little icon here in the middle. So here we have CNN, which will direct you by tapping it will direct you to the CNN page. This is the Twitter, the Facebook, YouTube, and the sport one, which were required for the assignment. This is the additional one, the extra one, which we had to choose. So I chose Tumblr to make everything easier. To go back, first an example that they are working. Say Facebook. So yes, they all direct the user to the corresponding icon they choose. So here there is the message icon. As required in the assignment, the user is to be able to see the latest messages. For example, we pick the first message, Baran, and yes, you can see the history. So the latest messages, the latest messages is this, the last one, and the history, the ones that were sent the day before, and yes, simulating it. But if the users would scroll up, yes, they would find the older messages. Yes, then we have the other two. There is no need to see them. Oh, wait, we can check. And yes, we have the message, and the user is able to see the last message and the history. Here we have the About Us page, and you can see the About Us page is one of the additional pages. The user can see who is the creator of the design, and yes, and here I simulated like if the user is going to download it someday, just like a hyperlink over here. And this is the map. I came up with this, so the user could see his current position just by a tap, and this page would come up and display with a radar here the map where is he currently. And yes, and here we have the calendar. It's pretty simple. The user just has to click on the icon and yes, you can see the current date, or you can set it by scrolling up down here. Yes, so basically this is it, and in my opinion it is very user friendly. As you can see, all the icons are placed in the right position, and with just a tap they will take you to the corresponding page. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and bye bye. Hello, this is Madrano Shibilia. Today I'm going to explain how to interact with the chat program. As the scenario on the assignment states, the user has to be able to choose a user from the contact list and start chatting with him in a window divided into both text should be visible in different style, different color. So let's see. First of all, I have accessed the main window.xaml, and here we can see that it's divided into parts. We can see the code, the element used, such as greens, which are used, for the background. For the background, you can see the color, which was used for the background, the green part. Here we can see the title and so on, the formatting of each label, and we can see that everything is organized well with panels, like we have the window, background, the gradient with its details, its format, the colors, and everything is divided with the design, how it's supposed to be. So first of all, I want to show you how this application works. So we run it, and here let's enlarge a little bit the window. Here we have the list of contacts, which are 4 in total, and we choose, for example, Ricardo. And the user has just to click once, and this window will come up, the chat room, and the primary user, which would be me, has to type in the left box of the chat room, for example, hi Ricardo, and with the enter, the message will be sent to the other user. As we can see, as the assignment requires the text sent has to be shown on both windows. So here, hi Ricardo with a red color, and hi Ricardo with a blue color. So now let's try reply with the user Ricardo with the light box. Hi, and see, here it works as required. is sent to the is shown in both room chat rooms. So yes, we can go back, and here we can see the list, other users. It works the same. So let's close. We can look a little bit more at the code. Here we have the chat panel. Chat panel is the chat room. Here we can see the design up here, which we could edit, make it bigger, smaller, just with the mouse. Now here we have the code, the XAML. Like the main window, we have different code divided with, for example, this is for the text box, the color of the text box background with its endpoint and start point, the delineate and gradient brush, which is the one with when you hover the mouse on it, the color changes. And yes, we have the grid column with its settings. What more? We have the grid like on the main window. What can we see more? We can see the code. Let's see the code on the main window. Just over here, as we can see, this is we are stating the name of the username, the primary username, which we set it as Nazareno. So as we go down, we can see the padding of the users, the buttons. The buttons. This is we are referring with the buttons of the user list, which is found in the main window. This is the padding, the colors, light green, the font family, which is the font, the size, and all that thing. This is the list of the contact list, the names, which are declared with a string with a double comma. So here we have a for int statement with incrementation for every friend, and we are adding a user in the chat. So we can see a lot of C# code here. Maybe we can see more about messages code. Yes, we have a CSS code, the properties for the image, and more. So that was it. Most of it was taken from a reference with code, because it's almost impossible to come up alone with such an application. But yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.